Let's go take a run through the first entrance to Gully Glades. Now I did a little recon through here. We should stick a little more center. There's going to be good fresh snow. There's some very tight tree spaces. Control your speed, be cautious, be aware, and have fun. Opens up a little bit and you're going to get several of these little pockets throughout. Now the thing about both Gully Glades, all of the lines are going to spit you out in the gully that is the namesake of Gully Glades. Alright, here's where we're starting to get into the steeper section, and you can see it snowed 8 inches last night. You can see logs poking out. There's logs poking out all down this steep section, so just be cautious. So you can see there's a tight wiggle straight through the center. There's also nice wide lines as well. Gonna come right out here onto a run. If you're done, take that run down to the chair. You can hop straight over and continue on the gully at the bottom side of Brian's Glades. Bottom part of the gully, same as the top. There's a tight wiggle through there, but you can easily make wide turns. We're about to exit onto the Corona run. As you exit, you're gonna have some speed. Make sure you look uphill. Watch for skiers uphill. Here we go. Then stick to the right. You're on Corona Run now. There's always bumps on this, so control your speed accordingly. Heading straight down Corona to the Corona lift. And this is where you would have come out had you gone the other way and not continued down Brian's Glades.